Welcome back to our channel. The 2026 K1A1 is its hybrid propulsion system. Unlike traditional diesel-powered tanks, this model integrates an advanced hybrid engine that combines a high-efficiency diesel engine with a powerful electric motor. The hybrid system reduces fuel consumption by 20%, extending operational range by over 30%. The electric motor allows for near-silent movement, perfect for stealth operations, while providing immediate power for improved acceleration and maneuverability. Firepower remains the heart of any main battle tank, and the 2026 K1A1 is no exception. Equipped with an upgraded 120mm smoothbore gun, this tank delivers unparalleled accuracy in penetration. The new barrel supports programmable ammunition, including airburst and armor-piercing rounds. An autoloading system reduces reload time by 30%, improving the rate of fire and crew efficiency. Secondary weapons include a 12.7mm heavy machine gun and an integrated drone-operated turret for enhanced close-range defense. Survivability is just as crucial as firepower. The 2026 K1A1 incorporates next-generation armor and active protection systems. Modular composite armor provides enhanced resistance against kinetic and explosive threats. An active protection system, APS, detects and neutralizes incoming projectiles using a combination of radar and countermeasures. The electronic warfare suite jams enemy targeting systems and disrupts drone-based attacks. Modern warfare requires agility and adaptability, and the K1A1 Hybrid delivers superior mobility across diverse terrains. An advanced suspension system improves shock absorption for rough terrain. Multi-terrain adaptation features variable ground clearance for urban and off-road operations. Autonomous navigation with eye-assisted driving enhances maneuverability in complex environments. Inside, the K1A1 boasts an advanced digital command interface, making it one of the smartest tanks in the world. And augmented reality, AR, HUD enhances situational awareness by overlaying tactical data in real time. AI-driven targeting reduces reaction time for engagement decisions. Crew comfort and efficiency are improved with noise reduction and ergonomic controls for prolonged missions. The 2026 K1A1 Hybrid isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in armored warfare. Its combination of stealth, efficiency, firepower, and smart systems make it a game-changer on the battlefield. It is an eco-friendly combat vehicle that reduces the carbon footprint in military operations while integrating AI-driven decision-making for unmatched battlefield awareness. Its strategic versatility makes it ideal for both conventional and asymmetric warfare. The 2026 K1A1 Hybrid Tank redefines what modern combat vehicles should be: powerful, intelligent, and future-ready. What do you think about this next-generation war machine? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge military tech reviews.